beautiful angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is who is coming next for you for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yes friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, this reading is for you. If you know Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, you can cross watch this reading for them. Friends, do subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, do like our video, our channel, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, it is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this, it will help you. Friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, and you can join our new channel. Oh my God. You can join our new channel, Magic Wins Tarot Hindi. The link is in the timestamps, or you can in the community also. The link is a lot of in the description box also, friends. So let's begin. Let's not talk anymore. Let's start the reading. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. First we'll see the theme for you, then we'll see who is coming for you, then we'll see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini individual cards and some love messages. So friends, what's the theme for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, the theme for what's currently happening with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay. Wow, the Queen of Rods. Attention, power, ambition, passion. For Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, what's happening? The current energy for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Angels for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Wow, the Two of Pentacles. Juggling someone at a distance, ambition, attraction. Four of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. My God, Temperance. Let's start. I think this is like this. I feel currently Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, your love life is like little dull. Nothing is happening. You're like, yeah, nothing is happening. You're like, Magic, nothing is happening. What are you talking about? Love life? What's love life? Nothing is happening. We are just sitting by the window waiting for our Prince Charming or the Princess Charming or the Princess Loving to come our way. Nothing is happening. I also feel that you could be dealing with someone who is at a long distance from you, or you could be thinking about, or you feel love is out of reach for you right now for some of you. But I also feel for 50% of you, there is someone at a long distance. You are missing them, thinking about them. I also feel you are trying to forget about your love life, its issues, or the non-existence of a love life by working too much. I see you, most of you are trying to work, or you're trying to not think too much about your love life. You're working, you're like, yeah, if a relationship is stuck, not moving, you're like, let it be, I don't care, I'll focus on my money, I'll focus on my work, what can I do? But I see changes coming in Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, changes coming, temperance, balance is coming, destiny is coming your way, harmony is coming your way, someone very passionate, someone who is as nurturing and caring as you are is coming. I feel an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is coming, or someone very passionate. I feel you, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, are also feeling very bold, very passionate. Your focus is on yourself, so you are like attracting a lot of attention. If you are here waiting, not doing anything, friends, you need to be here like the Queen or the King of Rods. You need to be bold, you need to be out there and having some, you know, be bold, be passionate, be sexy, and put some sassy, you know, put some, I see you getting very bold, very bold, very confident, and very attractive. I see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, you are worried about love, or rather the absence of love, but it doesn't bother you. It's like, yeah, well, so what, you're like, so what can I do? If there are people around me, they don't like me, what can I do? You're like, yeah. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, let's see who is coming your way. Let's see that. Who is coming for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Let's see. Nope, your cards don't want to come. Come on. Oh my god. Now that's why it was taking long. Look at this. Ace of Cups, a new start, a new proposal. Oh my god. The Nine of Wands. Who is coming towards Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Who is coming towards Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? The Six of Rods, the Devil, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person is coming towards you. This is beautiful, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. I will pull individual cards after this, so wait for that. And then we'll pull some romance angels messages also. Who is coming towards Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? The Seven of Swords and the Death, the transformation. I think someone from the past is coming back, or someone who has look at this, yeah, someone has not shared their feelings with you. This may be someone from the past, or someone is hiding their feelings currently. I feel it could be a secret admirer or someone who has a crush on you. They are hiding their feelings. They are keeping they are watching you from far but not telling you, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, how they feel. They could be obsessed about you. They could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But I feel mostly earth signs and fire signs. I feel this person is very much intoxicated by your beauty, by your love. I feel some of you, this person is from the past. They have ghosted you, hurted you, you have ended things with them, but they can't get over you. They still want you back. They just can't live without you. That person is coming back. I feel like they will want to work on this partnership, or they want to. I feel like Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, if this is a person from your past, you will not accept them easily. It's like you will say, nah, nah, nah. You will be like, no, I can't trust you. You broke my trust, this and that. So they will have to work for it. You will make them work. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, you are like, nope, you have to work for it. You have to prove me you love me. You have ghosted me in the past. So they will be working or proving their love to you. They won't give up easily, just as you want them to work. I think they will be at this relationship will develop more quickly now. It will grow into something more. I also feel if this is not someone from your past, this person already knows you. Like they could be a friend, or they could be a colleague, or someone you study with, or someone on your social media groups. This person already knows you. They see you, but they have not confessed their feelings, but they will so they will offer their love. This Ace of Cups, overwhelming love. This person is madly, deeply, passionately in love with you. I also feel this could be, if this is a new person or someone you know but never dated or been in a relationship, this will develop quickly. This will develop quickly, but you will want to slow it down. But Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, this will develop quickly. No matter what you want, this will be love overflowing, fire on fire. Yes. Some of you, it could be like your opposite, Aquarius. It could be the Leo. And for Libras, it could be the Aries. So it's opposite your sign. So it will be like too much excitement, passion. I also feel someone from the past is coming. For 50% of you, it is the past person trying to come back, fix things out, propose you again, work for it. Let me see some more cards to clarify. Who is coming towards Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Who's coming towards Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Wow, see, I told you an earth sign, someone who works with you, or who is quite independent, who is quite rich, who is quite stable, who sees you as this king or a queen is coming, or someone who has a lot of respect for you, a lot of love for you, someone who is keeping their feelings hidden right now. I also feel Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, you are waiting for this person. You are keeping an eye on this person. You are like, let me see what they are going to do. Let me see what they are going to do. You are like, you like me? I know, I see that. But let us see what you're going to do. So you are also like Ooh la la. You are giving them a tough time, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel this is an earth sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or someone who is very well established, very rooted, very, I don't know how to say this, but this person has a strong, when they like you. There is no one else, that kind of a person, that commitment, that ground. See, their eyes is fixed on you. And I also feel this is your energy, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Look at this. I know what I want. I know what I want. I see it. I get it. Come here, baby. It's like that song. I don't know which song is it. Come here, baby. So it's that song. You are going to make people work harder to win you, and someone will be offering you commitment or deep lasting love. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, who's coming towards them. Yeah, the world, completion. So something from the past will complete and shift into a new relationship, or a friendship will turn into a relationship, or you will just, someone from the past will step out of their comfort zone and wish, propose you, or someone who is just not sharing their feelings will propose you. It's up to you whether you will accept them or not, but I see it's 50-50. For some of you, it's the past person. For others, it is someone that is around you but not yet telling you how much they love you. But you are going to make them work because you have this overflowing love. I think you also like this person, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You love this person. But you are like, yeah, baby, show me what you can do for me. Whew, you're powerful, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Let's see your individual cards now, then we'll see the romance angels messages. So for Aquarius, who is coming towards Aquarius? Aquarius, who is coming towards Aquarius? Oh my God, lots of cards came out. Let's take them. See, sadness and isolation. I feel currently you are feeling sad, Aquarius. You are feeling like this Three of Swords. You feel hurt. Someone has put you in a third party. You feel very hurt. Someone has really hurted you. But I see that you need to shift your focus from the pain and the suffering. Maybe you are single from a long time, Aquarius. You need to change your focus now. Why? Because things are rebuilding for you. Something new, something better is coming for you. Number 16 is important. I see number 4 and 11 are also important. Opportunity, vacancy. Something is coming your way, maybe from the past or something which is even better than what you expect. So stay connected. Don't turn your back on the new things coming your way, Aquarius, and awaiting results. 7 of Wands. Yes, you are, going to get the results of your hard work. You are not going to be sad, Aquarius. Things are going to shift in your relationships. Things are going to rebuild for you. Look at this. Things rebuilding for you, Aquarius. Things shifting, rebuilding, things getting better, but you need to stay positive also, because I see you can be a little negative or pessimistic, which is blocking new love from coming into your life, or the past lover also to come back. This is for Libra. Let us see for Libra's daydreams and decisions. Number 7, the 7 of Cups, and number 4, the leader. Wow, the Hierophant. Friends, I definitely feel Libras, you will have a choice in love. You are dreaming a lot. Libras are very romantic. They dream a lot. They are very caring, loving, sweet people. Libras are very beautiful. I see some choices are coming, some decisions are coming your way, and this time you will be the leader. You will have the chance to choose and decide which person you will have. Also, I feel Libra, your focus is more on work rather than on love. But win or lose, yeah, see? Someone from the past will return back, but you will have the choice to choose them or let them go. Yes, Libras, you will have the choice. Definitely, you will decide this time. If they earlier this person took the decision, but now it will be your choice to accept them or to find a new person. I think a new person is the one you will accept. Find balance. 2 of Wands. things moving ahead. Someone, you are attracting more mature, more stable, and more leaders in your love life. People who will inspire you, people who will support you, those are coming, Libras. Excellent. But decisions are there. You may have to choose between love and work or between two partners. For Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. So finally for Gemini, let's see who's coming for Geminis. Wow, joy and stability. Look at this twin flame energy, 1111. Yes, friends, a lot of love and stability. Perhaps a commitment, marriage is coming for Geminis. You are seeking marriage. You are seeking something deeper. You just don't want love. You just don't want dating. You just don't want relationships. Nah, nah, nah. You want marriage. You want stability. You want commitment. In fact, some of you Geminis are thinking, what is love actually? Deep, deep thoughts, Teacher. Some of you could be attracting a teacher, someone who teaches, someone who is a mentor, someone who is elder to you, or someone who is more mature or wiser than you, no matter their age. I also feel this person could be someone you meet through work or through some online studies or something. For Geminis, who is coming? Oops. Seek the truth. Seven of Swords. I see, like, you will be thinking a lot about your past, Geminis, but something better is on its way towards you. Someone new, someone from the past is coming, but I see you choosing the new people, not the past people, or you will see the past with new eyes. So that is there also, Geminis. But I see a person who is more mature, who is a leader, who is very giving, who is nurturing, who is very good with kids, with animals. That person will be yours this soon. Let's see some romance angels messages for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Combined Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Wow. You love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. I think this is perfect because Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, you are focused on loving yourself, putting yourself first, because you had been through hell and back. You had been rejected in love. Three of Swords, Five of Swords, deception, Seven of Swords, someone ghosting you, gaslighting you. You all three have been through some amazing tough times, but you have learned to choose yourself. You have learned to choose yourself. Your self-love makes you more romantic, and it is attracting a soulmate in your life. Yes, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, a new soulmate is coming your way. They are going to love you, protect you, and this is going to be amazing. And this is all your hard work. You have loved yourself. Anything else? Oh my God, I won't take the the cards I dropped, because I already had this card in my hand. Retreat, it's time to disconnect from the world, see? I think you are going to take some time, travel with a soulmate, or maybe you will go on a holiday or spend the weekend with this new lover, getting to know them, or you will enter a new relationship without telling anybody. Some of you could be secretly getting married, not telling anyone. Oh my God, that's exciting, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Subscribe our channel, Magic Vence Tarot. Do make sure to like the video, share with your friends and family. Let me know if this reading resonated. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vence Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website, www.magicvencetarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye.